Okay, I have glued in a little batten strip on the joint, the center joint, the interior surface of the back panel, to keep it from splitting. Just a piece of 1/32 inch thick birch plywood, stuff used for making model airplanes, get it from the hobby shop. So that'll keep that from splitting on us. Now, I've made the top panel. I've glued it up, sanded its thickness, decided which is going to be the inside and which is going to be the outside. This is the inside. I'm going to mark a center line on here. So what I do now is make a couple of marks on here. Since I can't see the center line up here, this will let me get it where it needs to be. I'm going to make marks at 3/4 and 7/8 on either side. And I just place the body on top of there. Get it on the center here, and trace around it. Now what I'm going to do is mark off where the sound hole is going to go. I want the sound hole down 3 inches on the top of the body. That puts it right there. Mark a line across here. You know where that sound hole center line is. Now to keep from chewing up, keep from destroying the edges of the hole, I'm going to put a piece of scrap on top of here. And I just tape that down with masking tape. And then transfer the lines onto this scrap piece. Like that. And I had it. There's the center hole is going to be right there, the sound hole. So I'm going to go over to the drill press and do that. Alright, I've got the top clamped in the drill press, piece underneath, piece on top. Now we're drilling the hole. That's it. Looks good. Yeah, got a nice clean hole. No chipping around the edges. Okay, now I'm going to glue on the bridge backing plate. This little piece. This needs to be hard, relatively hard wood, so this is a scrap off the back panel. And what I do is measure back from the extreme end of the neck, which is where the nut is, back my scale length, which is 15 inches on this one. It's a concert size. I'm going to set this here, and so it needs to be about there, about there. Some lines across, just apply glue. What this does, incidentally, since it's a bit of harder wood and the grain is running the opposite direction of the grain in the top, what it does is to help transfer the vibration of the strings to the top panel more evenly. And then it also, of course, adds a great deal of strength. It serves as the surface on which the bridge gets mounted, so we can clamp harder, and we can run pegs through the bridge into this. And also, the way I do it, I run the strings all the way down through this and tie them on the other side, so we get a hard surface on the inside for the strings with their beaded ends to bear on. Okay, that's that. And I'm going to clamp this on. Check, make sure it's still straight. That's that. Just take this whole thing and set it aside to cure up. While that's curing, we'll make the other braces for the top and back.